Ever feel like you're stuck in the technological stone age, tethered to a clunky landline phone? You know the feeling, tangled wires, expensive phone bills, and features stuck in the dial-up era. Well, ditch the dinosaur and say hello to the future of phone service of voice over internet protocol, or VoIP for short. What is VoIP? But before we dive into the showdown between Ooma and magicJack, let's take a quick detour for those unfamiliar with VoIP. Imagine making crystal clear phone calls, not over traditional phone lines, but over your existing internet connection. Sounds crazy, right? Well, that's the magic of VoIP. You can make calls to virtually anyone, anywhere in the world, at significantly lower rates than traditional landlines. Plus, you get a bunch of cool features like voicemail, call forwarding, and even video conferencing, all for a fraction of the cost. So, you're ready to ditch the landline and switch to VoIP. Great, but with so many providers out there, which one do you choose? That's where Ooma and magicJack enter the ring. Both are popular VoIP services, but they have their own strengths and weaknesses. So, buckle up, phone warriors, because we're about to settle the score, Ooma versus magicJack. The VoIP face-off. Round number 1. Installation and setup. Getting started is crucial. No one wants to spend hours wrestling with a complicated setup process. Ooma boasts a super user-friendly setup. They even include a free Ooma Telo device that plugs directly into your internet router. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and you'll be making calls in no time. magicJack, on the other hand, requires a little more technical know-how. You'll need to connect their magicJack device to your phone and internet router, and the process can be a bit trickier. Be prepared to spend some extra time fiddling with settings to get everything working smoothly. Round number 2. Call quality and features. Alright, so you've gotten past the setup hurdle. Now, let's talk about what really matters: call quality and features. Ooma generally gets rave reviews for its crystal clear call quality. They utilize high-definition voice codecs to ensure your conversations sound crisp and free from annoying static or dropouts. Plus, Ooma offers a generous bouquet of features, including voicemail to email transcription, call blocking, and even a built-in answering machine. magicJack's call quality can be a bit of a mixed bag. Some users report excellent call clarity, while others experience occasional glitches and dropped calls. magicJack's feature set is also a bit more basic compared to Ooma. You get voicemail, call forwarding, and three-way calling, but that's about it. Round number 3. Pricing and plans. Let's face it, price is a major deciding factor. Here's a breakdown of both services' pricing structures. Ooma offers 2 main plans: Ooma Premier and Ooma Telo Free. Ooma Premier is a subscription service with a flat monthly fee that covers unlimited calls to the US, Canada, and Mexico, plus a bunch of premium features. Ooma Telo Free has a one-time upfront cost for the Ooma Telo device, but you only pay per minute rates for calls. magicJack has a very different approach. They offer a single base plan with a one-time cost for the magicJack device and an annual service fee. Calls to the US and Canada are included, but international calls require additional charges. So which one is cheaper? It depends on your calling habits. If you make a lot of international calls, Ooma's per minute rates might be more cost-effective. But if you primarily call within the US and Canada, magicJack's annual plan could be a budget-friendly option. The final round: customer service. Even the best services can have hiccups. When things go wrong, you want a reliable customer service team to back you up. Ooma is generally praised for its responsive and helpful customer service. They offer multiple channels for support, including phone, email, and online chat. magicJack's customer service experiences seem to vary more widely. Some users report positive interactions, while others find it challenging to get the support they need. So, who wins the Ooma versus magicJack showdown? The truth is, there's no clear-cut winner.